Hi everyone, it's your girl DJ and welcome to another hair tutorial. So today I'll be doing chunky passion twists. I hope you do enjoy this video. So I'm starting by sectioning my hair into two sections, one at the front and the other at the back. I then use a scrunchie to separate those two sections. So this is where the hard part starts, sectioning into the different sections. Guys, it was indeed a struggle. I'm not going to lie, it was a struggle. I was trying for so long. I had to run to my friend like Santana, big up yourself. And she helped me, and this was the outcome. And from this, I sectioned my hair into mini sections. So I usually add oil to my rubber band to avoid tension to my scalp and to keep my root moist. As you can see, I have a few twists at the back. I started to do each section, but I realized it was too time consuming, so why not rubber band every section there is and separate everything, so when it's time for me to twist, it's just for me to crochet in the hair and twist. And I did just that, and it was way easier to manage. So this is me just showing how I section the front of my hair and added the rubber band to each part. The jam to the root of my hair for it to have that sleek, nice look at the root. Then I added my rubber band. I maybe wrapped that to around maybe 3 or 4 times. It depends on how you feel comfortable wearing your rubber band at your roots. I love when my rubber band feels secure. So I normally give it a pull to ensure that it's nice and tight. So I'll give each section a twist to ensure that my hair isn't tangled, so it's easier for me when I'm adding the crochet here. So this is when I've sectioned and twisted all the sections, and it's time for me to apply the crochet hair. I'll be using two jams, the Osayan Extra Hold Jam and the Gummy Strong Hold Jam, to achieve my look for today. So I'll be using the 8-inch spring twist in the color T27 to achieve this look. So I'll be using 3 strands of the crochet hair to achieve my twist. I then started by pushing the crochet needle through the twist, through the center of the twist, and then attaching all 3 crochet hair and then pulling it through. Always ensure that the crochet hair is on the same length. So I pull my hair again to ensure that my root is secured. I then add jam, both of them, to my hair, and that helps to seal your hair with the crochet hair to ensure that it's not showing or peeking through, and to give your hair, your twists, a nice look, uniform look. I also ensure when twisting my hair that I have jam on my fingers to seal my hair with the crochet hair. So I advise that you do that too. After twisting, I realized that my hair was peeking through, so I just used a crochet needle and used a pull through method to hide my hair. Yeah, and that was it. So it's time for me to do the front section, and the same method apply. Pushing the crochet needle through the twist, adding your crochet hair, and then using your jam to secure your twist properly. And this was the finished look. I loved it. This was after I did trimming. I don't know if I'm a colored hair type of girl, but let's see how I'm feeling this. I then applied mousse to my hair to give that extra shine, and yeah. And what is a hairstyle without doing your edges? So my gummy extra hole is my go-to edge control. And this hairstyle can be worn in many cute and trendy ways. So thank you guys for watching yet another hair video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I do hope you try this style soon. Bye.